Hello, welcome back to today's activation meditation. Today it's about a papagay. Is it a parrot in English? I don't know. It's a papagay in German. Okay, the papagays. the papagays are working with Archangel Bogby, and as long as they are in their physical form on Earth, they are anchoring in the angel light, the angel lessons, and the angelic wisdom. They show us by being colorful that angels are communicating and transmitting their frequencies, energies, and information by colorful dressing. So whenever you pick something colorful, know you assist the angelic realm in transmitting the frequencies onto the earth plane. Another aspect of the parrots, is that they show us their intelligence. They learn a lifelong how to use tools, and they show us that birds and all other species are intelligent. This is a message for you to, whenever you are able to, show your ability, capacity, and never to shrink. Shine as the colorful light that you have incarnated yourself to be. Discard anything that lowers your light and dims your light, and show your capacity, show your true inner self, your magic, like the parrots are using sometimes stones to crack walnuts or something like that. Another aspect is parrots, and I think this is an aspect that we all know is, let's make it neutral. They can imitate, they can narrate, they can give you messages. So, with calling in all your guiding teams and spirits, we anchor in the light code provided by this oracle card and the parrot guiding spirit, which there is: listen carefully and intentionally to understand the truth that sometimes lies beneath. At this state of the video, I can offer and recommend to listen again, or to listen to the bad activation meditation, where we activated your ability to see through veils, through the illusion. This will go very well with this activation meditation. So we will do some light language, guide you into the astral realm or wherever you are beamed out while we are doing this, for you to receive with love and light to your greatest unfoldment, enlightenment, and embodiment of yourself. So center yourself, take deep breaths in, float, expand your chest. You may open your arms and move them as if they would be wings. Feel the feeling. And now wrap them around yourself, caress you, encourage you. Thank your body, thank your organs, thank all the organisms that are living inside of you, creating all the now moments that you have spent and all the future now moments that you will spend. Your body, your physical appearance, your biology. Say thank you. And let yourself be sourced by appreciation and loosening the grip of judgment and needing to know. Let it go. 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 Listen to the whispers of your soul. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Know you know always where to go. Where to go. Shows your soul where to go. You always know. Listening to the whispers of your soul. Crazy shit is happening here. Okay, so bring yourself back into alignment with your 0 point. Feel that you are firmly rooted, that you are firmly held by the gravitation and your physique on the ground in this etheric realm all natural potencies and possibilities and gravitation and everything that this dimensional reality provides is here to protect you, provide you, and to prevent you from getting stuck into illusion. Everything is created by consciousness, and consciousness is always there to provide greater consciousness, greater enlightenment, greater knowledge, greater awareness. And so it is, and so it is. May you always choose to have the perception and the point of view that reveals to you always the truth, always the thing, the bracket, the brick. I can see snakes. Okay, let's go on. So now call in your papagay, your parrot, guiding spirit. Be aware of his colors, or of her colors, of its colors. Let's go with its colors. Soak them in. You intuitively know what they stand for. They are reflecting your soul's gift and properties and individuality, your beingness, your authenticity. Know it, know it, know it, know it. Jayamono itarai kanai tamono bai tayo jai tayo haruai kanai mono ikadani mono ikadai sanai do dai mono. Breathe it in. Okay. Now feel, see, sense, know that Archangel Bokbi is present with your guiding team and spirit. Call in any other beingnesses and presences you would love to assist you in this activation meditation. That is about being able to listen carefully and understand the truth and the information, and knowing what is fake, what is a lie, what is garbage and bullshit, what is dense. We now install everywhere what is needed in your physical body, in your etheric body, everything that is needed for you to feel it, feel this, and to be sure that you always can tell between a lie and the truth. Breathe in, let it settle, and breathe out. Okay, they tell me that's it. Okay, could you give us something more? You know we are humans, we love to do more than we always need. Okay, practice. Universe, show me the truth. Universe, show me something miraculous. Universe, show me the way I need to go. Universe, block anything where I shouldn't go. Universe, make it irresistible for me to stay on my true path. And on my true path, make it very clear for me through synchronicities, through intuition, through guidance, through resonance, through body signals, and all the other ways that you communicate with me, which little thingy that is on my true path of authentic embodiment is just a growth zone. Okay. We can make it differently. Let me tell apart a real roadblock from a growth zone. Let it be clear to me in frequency, energy, expansion, and density on all channels that I am able to receive. Thank you. Let's do this one as well. Let me receive always clearly, and let me ask always for more guidance, for more proper information, because you are never annoyed with me. Sometimes, yes, they tell me. But this goes for me as well. But hey, ask and it is given, huh, Source? Yeah, we are right. Ask and it is given. Okay, what else? Is there another process? Show me the light. Universe, show me the light. Universe, take away what is not from me and what is dense. Take away what is outdated, what I don't need to drag around with me anymore. Okay. That's it. Okay. We will do some light language to anchor this in so that these frequencies are even more available for you in your field so that you always know what to say and ask. Ugh. The crystals here. Which one is the most suitable? Okay, tiger eye and rose quartz. Breathe it in, let it happen, lower your barriers. Receive. Ground yourself. Dai-o, hai-nai-o, moe-dei, hai-dai-o, yai-ai-o, ai-o, yai-ai-o, dai-o. Take a deep breath, anchor yourself, float, imagine something that you would love, let go of. Maybe it is someone you can't forget, maybe it is someone you know it is not available anymore, maybe it is someone you just would love to send this energy back into the far planes, into the cosmic washing machine. Maybe it's something that is dear and somehow not dear to you. Anything is possible. Or just demand anything is now sent back. I want it to be sent back. And I'm gonna perform the sending. Like Yuna in Final Fantasy X. It's a character of an RPG game I love to play. Showing me my mythical path. My mythical path, the sending one. Okay, let's do it. We draw in the light of the sun. It reverberates around you, and now let's send all the garbage, all the density, all the things that you may now release away. Hear the sending song. Ait mei jai airu Moed mei dai dai ho ai are ia ia uro dai are io dari are io Moed ni jaranai ho Noed ni nari ho Jahita no motoro Dai ai o momororo Dai ari o mo Dai ari o. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, take a deep breath. Come back into yourself. Feel the environment around you. Feel the vibrations in your body. Feel your expansion. Someone has become more lighter. Wiggle with your toes. Open your eyes. And let your day begin or go on. Okay, so thank you for sharing with me your precious time, your awareness, and participating in bringing more light to the earth, anchoring the light. Please take into consideration a person that would benefit by these transmissions. I would love if you recommend me and take all these offers that I provide for free and on this channel at least, and hit the bell, follow me, write down something that you have experienced, maybe what you have let go, or some ideas, inspirations, nudges that your higher self gave you considered this transmission. Thank you for your co-creation, and like always, with love, light, and the highest of the highest consciousness, may you be guided and know you always know. Bye, see you next time.